Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Murano Art Glass Millefiori Paperweight. So let's go ahead and remove the box from its Ministry of Glass shopping bag. So as you can see, this is a little blue box, and just to give you some idea of the size of the box, resting the box in the palm of my hand, and giving you some idea of the thickness. And now let's go ahead and remove the sleeve from the box. So you can see that blue sleeve there. Let's slide the box out of its sleeve. So a little bit of a tight fit here. And right there, just sliding that box very carefully out. I'm going to set that sleeve in the top left hand side of the frame. Right there. And now just going to flip the box over to reveal the Murano Art Glass Millefiori Paperweight right there. So very simple packaging, nothing fancy at all. And that's the block of Murano Art Glass in my hand. And it does have a very unusual Millefiori design. So Millefiori means 1,000 flowers. And this is not your typical Murano Art Glass paperweight. They're usually in a blob or kind of water droplet style with lots and lots of these flowers in them. However, they also do make them in square blocks like these or rectangular versions as well. However, they're usually filled right throughout to the very edges. However, I found that this was slightly different with a focused Millefiori design in the central part of this block, which I found really unusual and distinctive. So taking a look around the sides of the block, you can see it does have a very consistent side to it with a very smooth and flat black finish. And taking a look at the underside of this block, you can see that it does have a Murano certificate there, just to show that this piece of art glassware in the form of paperweight was made in Murano, Venice, Italy, where it's renowned for its art glassware. I'm going to give you a close-up look right now to this Murano Art Glass Millefiori Paperweight. So it does have a nice weight to it, so the entire block is made from glass, and of course the Millefiori pattern there is made by fusing cane rods together to form this very, very nice pattern right there. And just to give you some idea of the size, resting it in the palm of my hand yet again, but this time without the box. So nice and solid, and once again giving you a much closer look to the lovely, lovely flowers set around the middle of this black square block of glass. So the number there will reference to the factory in which this glass block was made. So a very unusual paperweight indeed, in this very unusual pattern. And just to give you some idea of the size, I do have a metal ruler here, and just placing it right there. It is approximately just over 6 centimeters across, and being a square block, it should measure, once again, just over 6 centimeters the other way as well. And just to show you the thickness of this block, it is just over 2.5 centimeters thick or tall. And lastly, let's find out the weight of this Murano art glass Millefiori paperweight. I do have the Amir electronic kitchen scale, which I've unboxed before quite some time ago on this YouTube channel. And let's place the glass block and find out how much it weighs. And right there, 256 grams. And we can change that to ounces as well, 9.05 ounces. And back to grams, 256 grams for this Murano art glass Millefiori paperweight. So that's the Murano art glass Millefiori paperweight. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!